Rivian's new off-road capable SUV has just started taking deliveries for its first customers, and I was lucky enough to spot one on the road, so we're going to give you a quick tour of the exterior of that car. The Rivian R1S boasts a whopping 316 miles of range, a rear cargo storage area that folds completely flat, perfect for camping or sleeping in, a built-in portable speaker, 7 passengers, and many more features. So here's a look at the exterior of the brand new Rivian R1S. Enjoy.
Oh my goodness, guys, look what we found. We parked right next to a Rivian R1S. This is insane, dude. Look at this prototype color. This is sick. And it looks like they've definitely been hitting the dirt a little bit. So sick, you guys. Overnight testing. Look at that. Wow. Dude. They've definitely been driving this thing around. Look at all the dirt. I love the light bar. It's like super awesome to see. Look at this paint job. This is insane. Wow. Look at that color. It's got cameras on the side here, which is cool. Folding mirrors. Wow. Look at the door handles too, they're like totally flush. That's so sick. Oh yeah. It might be shorter than it's like the same height as the Element. Let's see. I mean, the Element's probably actually a little bit taller than this thing. Wow. Bro. Anyway, I guess we got lucky, so thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.